So, you may have found this video by researching about SteelSeries grip replacement for Rival 600 or 650. I bought two of them in April 2019, and here's my experience after 5 months of stopping using the mouse. I bought two of them, and because the total was under 30 bucks, I had to pay for shipping. Student discount saved me $3. They shipped these out pretty quickly. Took less than 3 days after placing order to arrive. Package looked like this and did not have anything fancy at all. The reason that I need a replacement is after a while, the grips got sticky at the tip of my fingers, as you can see. I used alcohol to clean it, but it kept coming back many times. I am unsure that because it melted or it came from the glue, but the sticky residue made my mouse dirty because it is also a dust magnet, and this happened on both sides. With the new grips, the mouse is new again, and hopefully one grip's replacement is enough with this boy. Man, this thing is so smooth to touch.
Several months later.
Well, who can predict the future? In August, I got myself a glorious gaming Model O, which is a much lighter mouse with RGB, and I've been enjoying it very much. I did not want to make the new grips get dirty, so I put them in this organizer. And after 4 to 5 months without using it, without touching it, the two grips were completely ruined. I have zero idea what that is. That thing was just greasy. My room, and the table organizer especially, never gets hot, and the grips just melted by themselves at room temperature was ridiculous. Anyway, as you can see, the front pad is still fine, just the back one got damaged. Same thing also happened to the other side. It was disgusting to touch. Meanwhile, the rubber box that contains the mouse weights have been sitting in that organizer for more than a year without any problem, besides getting some dirt. I put this in there and have not touched it until now. So, why this random rubber things is fine, but the grips that I paid for $10 plus shipping got wrecked so badly? Now let's check out the original and the other new grips which have been left on my table like this for months. First we check the ones that came with the mouse. I did clean them up before putting in this bag. This side still looks exactly the same way when I put it in. Still the same marks which I showed in the previous footage. Surface is very smooth. No stickiness. Same thing for the other side. Smooth, no stickiness, and some marks. Now let's check out the new grips that I have not used or opened. It's also fine, nothing's wrong with this one. I just used isopropyl alcohol to clean the grips, so now they both look new again, but for how long? I have been a fan of SteelSeries products for years, but this time the quality is very disappointing. Both of my rival 300s are still doing fine, but this mouse is another story. Hopefully SteelSeries will get rid of the rubber with the upcoming mouses, because the latest strained are lighter weight with full plastic cover. I hope you enjoyed the video. I recently ordered a Model D and I expect it will work better than Model O because of its taller height. If you are interested in my review, subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Bye bye.